Welcome back to the Door Drama series. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it happens when your safety sensors are out of alignment or one of them falls off the track. So right now my door is up and I'm going to press the button and nothing happens. You see how the door slightly came down and went back up? That tells me that my safety sensor, something is wrong with it. It's either not working, or it's off the track, or something's in the way of the garage door. Your garage door should not close if something is impeding your safety sensors. So one way to get your door down, if you're in a hurry and you're late to work, you can hold the wall button until the door completely closes. And then once the door is closed, let's investigate to see what's going on. So let's go over here and take a look and see if we can see what's going on. This one has a light on it, so this side is perfectly fine. And this one looks like it fell off the little track there and it's not sensing anything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it back in the track. We're gonna put the wing nut right back on here. Do you see how that light is now turned green? If your safety sensor lights are not green, your door will not open and close. So one has to be yellow or orange and the other one has to be green. Otherwise your door will not open and close properly. So since we looked at the safety sensors and we looked at both sides and that side is orange and this side is green, press your button and your door should open perfectly. And once it goes all the way up, we're gonna press it again to make sure the door goes all the way back down without holding the wall button. And that's how you check your safety sensors, to make sure they're operating properly. If you have any other issues and can't figure it out, give us a call at Grove City Garage Door.